Hi. simpliRP has a very unique feature of purchase price comparison. In the main dashboard itself, there is a previous purchase price trend comparison. This trend is shown for past 60 days. You can also see the price, quantity purchased and its previous GRN number. This will show for only top 10 items. Also, to check for a particular item, go to Advanced Search. In the box, enter a item code to find quote comparison. Please enter the purchased item code. Click Go. You can see, simpliRP is helping you with all the vendor quotations received from various suppliers. Also the previous purchased price comparison from different suppliers. simpliRP is the easiest way to manage your purchases. Please feel free to contact us to know about more features. Thank you.